Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, then subscribe for more interesting videos. Useful and easy. Be creative.